Niall at Learn to Trade the Market again. Really quick video recap on the euro dollar this time. I want to point out this large pin bar reversal that's formed. I want you to forget everything about trends and market momentum and levels. Let's just look at the pin bar itself. The anatomy of a pin bar, a large reversal in the market forming anywhere with a large tail. The tail must be greater than 2/3 of the entire range. So what that means is that little body there right here needs to be 1/3 and the tail should be ideally 2/3. Okay, and I'm getting a lot of emails from people in response to that last video, and I said, you know, we can trade against the trend, trade in and out of the trend. Even though it's upward, we can trade shorts. Now ideally this trend is up, so we should be looking to buy. I'm not ruling out buying opportunities if I get some price action, but because it's moved up towards 148, a long-term resistance level, and formed a massive reversal, you're not really going to ignore it, because this market, if we zoom out, we know it's been trending down, and this was just a counter trend up move, and we've had some nice sell pressure come in and form a price action signal. So, you know, I would be happy to take a short, and that's the interpretable part of trading and price action analysis, is that you can't define a trading plan just by trading the trend. You do have to be a little bit savvy and know that if there is existing momentum in the market, it will terminate at some point. And after that many days up, and the 148 level there being extremely relevant through the chart, you can see it was just near that previous high there, right here. The market stalled, and you can see it's coming off. So this stuff is, it's basic stuff, but really it's overlooked by a lot of traders. And in the course, I go over this stuff in detail, even though it is simple. Why isn't it talked about on the internet? Why don't people promote this in other ebooks or in courses? It's because people like to make things sound fancy, and in trading, keeping it simple works. The reason this market's come off is because there's simply no buying pressure left. This was short covering and buying. We've now got a sell signal. The market's going to rotate back down, in my opinion, that is. Most of the time a market will try and retrace towards the 3-day low. Now if we count back to the 3-day low from this bar, 1, 2, 3, we've got all the way down here, 136.26. I actually think this market will come back that far before bouncing. Alright, so just a really quick note there on the euro, following up from that previous email. We've now got that sell signal. It's coming off towards the downside, and it's also an invitation to check out the Christmas special I've got on the course. $297 US, reduced $100 for Christmas. If you haven't got your hands on it, go get your hands on it now, because that price will be changed in the new year. Love talking to you guys on the forum and the email. Send your questions and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.